Do you eat honey? Would you like to know what can happen if you start eating honey every day? Honey is a natural food obtained through the nectar of flowers and the excretion of bees. In addition to being a great natural sweetener, honey is full of benefits. It has antimicrobial action that can hinder or even destroy the growth of microorganisms, protecting us against diseases. See now 7 benefits of eating honey every day. Improves the memory. Because of the high amounts of antioxidants and how it stimulates calcium absorption, honey is good for general brain functions, but even better for our memory. So if you feel your memory isn't doing great recently, take a spoonful of honey every day. Contributes to good digestion. It's believed that honey facilitates the digestive process and thus avoids the most common discomforts like pain and bloating. However, there aren't any studies done to scientifically support this belief. Promotes bowel movement. Just as it favors digestion, honey can also help regulate bowel movements. Some people recommend taking a teaspoon of honey in cases of constipation, combined with the consumption of foods rich in fibers, like fruits and oats, and drinking plenty of water. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends. You can also contribute to the channel through the thanks button. Don't forget to subscribe to be notified of any new videos. Makes the skin prettier. Did you know that eating honey every day instead of sugar or other sweeteners improves your skin? It happens thanks to the varied nutrients, enzymes, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants of this incredible food. It's common to hear that honey has moisturizing and antibacterial properties that make the skin healthier and clean from impurities. Evidence from studies suggests that it can be true and very helpful. According to some studies, honey can help in the treatment of many dermatological issues. Isn't it incredible? Improves cardiovascular health. The heart is the part of our body that requires the most energy to work. The easy assimilation of the natural sugars of honey gives the myocardium the power it needs to regulate blood composition and hemoglobin levels. Honey also protects the heart against cholesterol, prevents and fights respiratory issues. Honey is also good for respiratory issues, since it helps fight off viruses and bacteria responsible for infections. It can support the treatment prescribed by your doctor in cases of common cold, rhinitis, sinusitis, coughing, and throat infections. Contributes to a better sleep. Today, lots of people have trouble sleeping. Honey can be a great ally in these cases. Its natural sugar helps with serotonin production, which relaxes the body, reduces stress, and contributes to a calmer sleep. So, if you are part of this group, honey can be your ally. Even though honey has all these benefits, it isn't recommended for babies and infants. It may contain a bacteria called Clostridium botulinum, which can cause issues in a still-forming digestive system. Honey is also not recommended for diabetic people due to the high amounts of sugar it has. When choosing your honey, it's best to pick the most natural one possible. Many of the products sold at supermarkets are fake and don't contain actual honey in them. Watch the suggested video to learn how to differentiate between real and fake honey. So, what are you waiting for? Have you eaten your spoonful of honey today? If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.